Nestled amidst a vibrant Caribbean landscape, Residencia MC stands as a testament to transformative design, a stunning reimagining of a late 1970s structure. Anarquitectura embarked on a complete overhaul, breathing new life into every corner. The once segmented floor plan, a relic of its era, was meticulously opened up, dissolving barriers to create expansive, continuous living spaces. This bold redesign wasn't merely aesthetic, it was a profound integration of indoor and outdoor living, where every interior vista thoughtfully frames the meticulously curated exterior, allowing the lush landscaping to permeate the home's very essence. The facade, a striking composition of local coral stone, limestone, and composite wood panels, exudes a welcoming warmth that perfectly complements its clean, contrasting geometric lines, all while promising durability, energy efficiency, and minimal upkeep. Step inside, and the austerity of a pristine white color palette is beautifully softened by the rich warmth of walnut wood finishes. The entrance hallway itself is an experience. Pivoting wooden windows on the left offer glimpses of the verdant garage garden, while to the right, the client's private office, with its cleverly concealed sliding wall panel, invites natural light and the gentle caress of the Caribbean breeze. An oak floor gracefully marks the stair hall, the home's vibrant nexus where the entrance, staircase, and social areas converge. This same fluid space visually connects to the kitchen through an inviting open breakfast nook, further amplifying the sense of openness and light. The living room, bar, dining room, and kitchen all seamlessly extend to the inviting pool patio through generously sized openings, blurring the lines between indoor comfort and outdoor leisure. Even the outdoor bathroom, a secluded sanctuary, is accessed via a charming coral stone path, leading you through a tapestry of tropical flora to a tranquil retreat.